Day 2, Day 2, 2.3 Pressure exerted by air. You all know very well that is air fills the space around us. This envelope of air is called as atmosphere. It extends up to many kilometers above the surface of the earth. All the objects on the surface of the earth experiences the thrust or force due to this atmosphere. The amount of force or weight of the atmospheric air that acts downward on unit surface area of the surface of the earth is known as atmospheric pressure. It can be measured using the device called barometer. The barometer was invented by Torricelli. Atmospheric pressure decreases with altitude from the surface of the earth. It can be measured by the height of the mercury column in a barometer. The height of the mercury column denotes the atmospheric pressure at that place at a given time in millimeter of mercury. Even if you tilt the tube at various angles, you will see that the level of the mercury will not vary. At sea level, the height of the mercury column is around 76 cm or 760 mm. The pressure exerted by this mercury column is considered as the pressure of magnitude, that is 1 atmosphere, also called as 1 atm. 1 atmospheric pressure, that is 1 atm, is defined as the pressure exerted by the mercury column of height 76 cm in the barometer. It is equal to 1.01 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. In the system, SI system, 1 atm is equal to 1 lakh Pascal approximately. SI unit of atmospheric pressure is Newton meter square, Newton per meter square of Pascal. 2.4 Force and pressure in liquid. You would have noticed that an upward force is exerted by water on a floating or a partially submerged body. This upward force is called buoyant force. This phenomena is known as buoyancy. This force is not only exerted by liquids but also by gases. This upward force decides whether an object will sink or float. If the height of the object is less than the upward force, then the object will float. If not, it will sink. 2.4.1 Pressure exerted by liquids. Liquids exert a pressure not only on the base of the container or vessel in which they are kept but also on the side walls. The pressure exerted by a liquid depends on the depth of the point of observation considered in it. This activity confirms that the pressure in a liquid varies with the depth of the point of observation in it. This shows that the pressure exerted by a liquid at the bottom of a container depends on the height of the liquid column in it. Thus, we can conclude that liquid exert the same pressure in all directions at a given depth. 2.4.2 Pascal's law. You can see identical streams of water flowing in all directions from the holes. This is due to the fact that the pressure which is applied on the liquid is equally transmitted in all directions. This concept was given by the French scientist Blaise Pascal. Pascal's law states that the pressure is applied at any point of a liquid at rest in a closed system will be distributed equally through all directions of the liquid. Applications of Pascal's law. The applications of Pascal's law are in automobile service stations. The vehicles are lifted upward using the hydraulic lift. which works as per Pascal's law. Automobile brake system works according to Pascal's law. The hydraulic press is used to compress the bundles of cotton or cloth so as to occupy the less space. 2.5 Surface tensor. Take some water in the beaker and spread a tissue paper on the surface of the water. Gently place the clip on the tissue paper. Observe what happens to the paper. After a few moments, the tissue paper will submerge. The paper clip will make a small depression on the surface of the water. It will instantly begin to float on the surface, even though it is denser than water. How is it possible? This is because the water molecules on the surface, which tends to contract themselves like the molecules of an elastic membrane. A force exists on them, which tends to minimize the surface area of water. The paperclip is balanced by the molecule on the water surface that is now behaving like a stretched elastic membrane, so it does not submerge. Have you ever wondered why raindrops are spherical in nature? How does the water rise upward in a tree or plant against the force of gravity? These are all due to the surface tension. Surface tension is the property of a liquid. The molecules of a liquid experience a force which contracts the extent of their surface area as much as possible so as to have the minimum value. The amount of force acting per unit length on the surface of the liquid is defined as surface tension. Its unit is Newton meter per meter square. 2.5.1 Applications of surface tension. Surface tension is the reason for many events we see in our daily life. In plants, water molecules rise up due to the surface tension. Xylem tissues are very narrow vessels present in plants. Water molecules are absorbed by the roots and these vessels help the water to rise upward due to capillarity action, which is caused by the surface tension of water. During heavy storm, ships are damaged due to surface tension of water. By pouring oil or soap powder into the sea, sailors reduce its impact. Water strider insect slides on the water surface easily due to the surface tension of water. Material reading for day 2, Unit 2, Force and Pressure, Roman letter 5 and question number 5. How does the friction arise between the surfaces of two bodies in a relative motion? Frictional force or friction arises when two or more bodies in contact move or tend to move relative to each other. It acts always in the opposite direction of the moving body. Question number 6. Name two instruments which helps to measure the pressure of a fluid. Manometer, pressure gauges used to measure pressure of a liquid. Question number 7. Define one atmosphere. The pressure exerted by this mercury column is considered as the pressure of magnitude 1 atmosphere. That is 1 atm. 1 atm is equal to 1 lakh Pascal. 1 atm is equal to 1 lakh Pascal. SI unit of atm is Newton per meter square or Pascal. SI unit of atm is Newton per meter square or Pascal. Question number 8. Why are heavy bags provided with broad straps? Broader straps are provided on a backpack for giving a lower pressure on the shoulders by providing a large area of contact with the shoulder. How does surface tension help a plant? Water molecules rise up due to surface tension. Xylem tissues are very narrow vessels present in plants. Water molecules are absorbed by the roots and these vessels help the water to rise upward due to capillary action, which is caused by the surface tension. Question number 10. Which has greater viscosity, oil or honey? Why? The flow of honey will have more viscous force because it is the fluid with higher viscosity compared with oil. Honey has more strong intermolecular attractive force than water. So the particles are strongly bound in honey than oil. Viscosity of honey is 10,000 centipoise. Roman letter 4. Answer in detail. 1. Friction is a necessary evil. Explain. Friction is necessity in most of our day-to-day life. It is desirable in most situations of our daily life. We can hold any object in our hand due to friction. We can walk on road because of friction. The footwear and the ground help us to walk without slipping. Writing easily with a pen on paper is due to friction. Automobiles can move safely due to friction between the tires and the road. Though it is giving a negative effect in most of our day-to-day life, friction helps us to make our life easy. So it is called as necessary evil. Question number 2. Give the different types of friction and explain it each with an example. Friction can be classified into two basic types. They are static friction and kinetic friction. Static friction, the friction experienced the bodies which are at rest is called static friction. Example, all the objects rigidly placed to be at rest on the earth, a knot in a thread. 2. Kinetic friction. Friction existing during the motion of bodies is called kinetic friction. Further, kinetic friction can be classified into two types. A. Sliding friction and B. Rolling friction. A. Sliding friction. When a body slides over the surface of another body, the friction acting between the surfaces in contact is called sliding friction. Rolling friction. When a body rolls over another surface, the friction acting between the surfaces in contact is called rolling friction. Rolling friction less than sliding friction. That is why wheels are provided in vehicles, trolleys, suitcases, etc. Thank you. Roman letter 5. Horse. 1. Why is it not advisable to take a fountain pen while traveling in an aeroplane? As you know, with increasing altitude, atmospheric pressure decreases, so the pressure inside the pen is more compared to its surroundings, that is, inside the flight. When you are using the pen, the ink gets spilled due to varying pressure. 2. Is there any possibility of making a special device to measure the magnitude of friction directly? Tribometer is an instrument that is used to measure frictional force. It still uses the familiar concept of force equal to coefficient of friction into normal reaction. Thus, it still does not measure friction directly. The possibility of having a special device to measure the frictional force is negligible.